Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the card. Hey everyone, and welcome. In this video, we're diving into the Islami Classic Debit Card. I'll be covering all the key benefits, as well as the potential drawbacks, so you won't miss a thing. Let's jump right in. This card comes free with your Islami DA account, offering enhanced security and convenient shopping options. From cash withdrawals and spending flexibility to a range of Islami member benefits accessible worldwide, this card has you covered. Use your Islami Classic Debit Card to accomplish everything you've always dreamed of, with all the privileges of Visa. As an Islami Classic cardholder, you'll enjoy a continuously updated selection of offers, global, regional, and local, covering travel, dining, and exclusive value benefits at a variety of establishments. Think travel perks, entertainment discounts, retail savings, dining deals, and much more, all accessible across the globe. You'll also gain access to comprehensive global services available 24/7, 365 days a year. The dedicated customer service team is always ready to answer your questions, provide assistance in emergencies, and help you find banking solutions, no matter your location. So, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.